Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make a really cute little basket for Easter. Easter is almost here. We're gonna blink, it's gonna be here. Don't forget to subscribe the video, press the bell button to get all the video notifications. And today's video is dedicated to Glenna. She always leaves me little comments and I love it. So today we're gonna start with clay. I am making a very extra long little ears. I'm using a little glass vase that I got at the Dollar Tree. So they have like it's rounded and it's very cute. And it's $1. So, you know, what can you do better than that? So I'm going to start with the ears because I want the ears to be a little dry before I can put in place. So I try to start with the things that I need to let it longer to dry. If that makes sense. We make a very long teardrop shape, and now we're gonna flatten out a little bit. And you can use anything to give little texture if you want to. I'm just rolling the rolling pin, and then more at the end of the video you're gonna see that I use star foam to kind of mark a little, to give a little bit more as a fur skin kind of thing. So, but for now, we're just going to do this, and then let's set aside a little bit. This clay is the air dry clay that I'm being using in my last couple videos. I was normally always use Porcelain, but now I'm using this one because it's really easier to find here in US. But I wanted to tell you guys that this is very good to protection for glass, because this clay, when it dries, it's kind of like a foam. So I made Tinkerbell, and I made, I think, Ariel for my girls, for them to hold pencils and brushes and things like that. And they haven't dropped that on the floor like 1,000 times. And it's still good because this foam is going to make like a blanket to protect this glass. So here you can see the little glass that I got at the dollar store. I put a little glue and then a little bit of water, so I can make the glue a little bit more not so consistent, because then I can, you know, cover it and then just don't push and tuck like clay and glass and all that mess. Then, you know, because the glue is not going to attach to the glass. It's just going to slide out. So I always put a little bit of glass, a little bit of water to help to attached to the glass. And now I'm just gonna cover, pulling all the excess to the top of the glass vase. I'm not gonna be worrying about how smooth it is right now, because I will make the texture, and I just wanna cover it. Try to cover as keeping the thickness around as much as you can, but don't worry about it, because when it dries, it gets like smooth and cute and pretty, and after you get all the texture there, you're not going to see anything. So I'm just going around and getting all the excess in, so I know then it's not going to shrink and mark on the top. This clay shrinks a little tiny bit less than the cold porcelain, but it's still shrinking a little bit. So you need to remember to leave a little bit extra. Okay, so I'm gonna cut the excess off and then just use my palms to try to smooth it out as much as I can, to put everything in place, to see if everything is around the same thickness. And now with the piece of styrofoam, then I actually got at the Dollar Tree too, is like a floral base. I don't know for what they do that, but it's a very cool hard foam that you can make texture with. But you can use any type of brush, you know, toothbrush, those little cleaning brush, anything that is kind of different texture, you can use that too. Or you can also just keep your vase the way you would, like just with the, you know, cover clay and don't make any texture. But since we're making a bunny, I thought then the texture, you will look cuter and also make it look perfect, you know, like all the little marks, little indentations then wasn't perfect, is not gonna see it. Now we're gonna make his little face. I open a little bowl, I flatten out, and then we put it a little bit of that texture, and I will look where I want to hide, but then the sides of that is pretty. So I got one part and there was a little hole there, but the sides are all pretty, so we going to place there. If you Don't let it dry. You don't need to use anything to put the face on the vase because this clay attaches to each other very easy. And now we're just gonna mark some little like wrinkles to make that little bunny face pop up. And also mark the center to divide the little cheeks. And I making just little tiny marks to look like, you know, his whiskers are coming off. Now I'm just gonna make a little arch for the eyebrows. I don't wanna make the eyebrows, but I don't wanna see the glass as well. See, I try to get as much as I can, but the white's still there. So if you did like I did the first time, then you touch the glass or you press too much, just, you know, roll it a little bit of the white there. With the pink, we're gonna make a ball and a triangle for the nose. This is a very easy and cute way. You can put chocolate inside. You can put like little pencils with bunnies on the top to give to the teachers. You know, it's $1, and then the clay you're gonna probably use like another $1, $2 max, and then you have this handmade gift for Easter. Then it's gonna make everybody feel loved, and it's so cute. And you can use after. You know, you can put flowers. You can put whatever you want, your heart desire. I put a little 2 balls for the eyes, and I actually took them off and make it a little smaller. So you guys gonna see then it's a little smaller. Be careful because it's very hard to get, especially black out of the white. So measure well the size you want. Don't make too big. And now my ears, that's overnight. My ears are a little drier. I put a little toothpick in the bottom just to stuck that in and glue. And then we're gonna let it dry a little bit. But I am just going to finish this video because I want to show you guys. So the ears are going to move a little bit, but now they are completely dry. I'm going to use blush as like a makeup blush to make his cheeks a little more pink and a little bit more cuter. And this is like a sponge brush that is super cool. I don't even know what it is for. I saw and I bought it, and I kind of like it to use with chalk pastel or blush, things like that. And you need to kind of buff it out and make it, you know, smooth and kind of painted. So you can see I put it in the middle of the ears and the little cheeks, and it's super damn cute. My girls already asked for me for one of the each teachers, so we're gonna start making a lot of bunnies. And now with my liner and white and acrylic paint, I'm just gonna mark his eyes. I decided to paint just to show you guys because I think in my last 2 videos I was using the clay to make the eyes. So I just wanted to show that you can use acrylic paint too. If you're making this edible, you can use any like airbrush spray kind of thing paint. And yes, I got some messages and asking me to start making things with fondant and gum paste, like more edibles, toppers and things like that. So I just want to let you guys know then yes, I'm gonna do that for you. I just ordered a bunch of colors to start trying to see which one I like the best, which brand is the easiest for like sculpting and modeling, which one is better for flowers, which one is better for like Elsa or things like that. And we're gonna learn together. But I miss of making things edible. I used to make a lot of cakes. If you go back to my channel in the beginning of the years, you're gonna see a bunch of cakes that we used to make. But after the triplets, we kind of stopped that a little, and I kept my creativity mood going with the toppers. But I miss making cakes though. I think we're gonna start having a little bit more cakes in here. And I think I got a message on Instagram asking for cupcakes for Easter. So I'm gonna do that as well as soon as I get my hands on the fondant and gum paste that are coming. So now we're gonna put just little 2 bows just like that, and they're like real ribbon bows just to give a little bit more details. And she is completely done. If you want to be extra bling, you can put just a little crystal on the center of the bow just to give you know, just extra bling bling for girls. And it's done. You can put chocolates inside, a little flower, give it to your teacher, give it to your friends, give it to whatever you want, and make a bunch to sell now because it's Easter and you can make some extra ding money. So I hope you guys like it. And this is another one that I made with a Christmas ball, those that opens. If you guys want to see this one too, just please leave me a like and a comment down below and I will show you to you guys as well. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video and I talk to you guys pretty soon. Bye.